In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload the Uphold 1099B form info to TurboTax if you need to report your investment or crypto-related tax information. From Uphold, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to navigate to the correct section and begin connecting or locating your provider so you can import the information tied to your 1099B. To get started, sign into TurboTax and open your return. From the main navigation area, move your cursor over Income. This is where TurboTax groups the sections related to earnings, investment activity, and other tax documents. Hovering over Income will open the path you need to access your financial reporting sections. Next, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you an overview of all the income categories in your return. It's essentially the central hub for entering or updating documents like W-2s, interest forms, and investment-related tax forms. Since a 1099B falls under investment reporting, this is the right place to continue. Once you are on the summary page, look for the Investments and Savings section. In that area, click Add Edit. This will open the investment entry workflow, where TurboTax helps you enter brokerage and asset sale information. If you've already started entering something in this category before, Add Edit lets you return and continue from there. If not, it will begin the setup process. After that, TurboTax will ask a question related to whether you have investment income to enter. Click Yes to move forward. This confirms that you do have investment-related tax information to report, which is necessary before TurboTax shows the import and provider options. From there, the next step is to find the provider. This is where you'll search for the financial institution connected to your 1099B information. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct provider entry if there are similar names listed. Accuracy matters, because choosing the right provider helps ensure TurboTax pulls in the correct tax data associated with your account. If you don't immediately see the provider, try searching carefully and checking spelling. In many cases, providers may appear under a formal business name rather than the brand name you're most familiar with. Once you locate the correct provider, you'll be in the right place to continue the import process within TurboTax. That's all you need to do for this part of the setup. You've now navigated to the exact section where TurboTax can begin working with your Uphold 1099B information.